Hi guys, today we compare Nokia 10 PureView versus OnePlus 12. The Nokia 10 PureView launched on November 2024. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023. The dimensions is looking same in both devices. The Nokia 10 PureView come with 8.5 mm thickness and the OnePlus 12 come with 9.3 mm thickness. The weight of these devices is same 220 gram and the build both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The Nokia 10 PureView and the OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size of OnePlus 12 is 6.82 inches and the Nokia 10 PureView 6.72 inches. The Nokia 10 PureView and the OnePlus 12 come with 2K screen resolution and the PPA density of Nokia 10 PureView is 518, OnePlus 12 510. The screen to body ratio is looking same, not much difference. The aspect ratio is 20:9 in both devices. The refresh rate of Nokia 10 PureView is 120Hz with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the OnePlus 12 come with 120Hz with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Nokia 10 PureView come with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor screen protection and the OnePlus 12 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. No headphone jack in both devices. The platform of these devices Nokia 10 PureView come with octa-core Cortex X5 with 3.6 GHz CPU. The OnePlus 12 come with octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.3 GHz CPU. The Nokia 10 PureView come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 3nm chipset and the OnePlus 12 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of Nokia 10 PureView is Adreno 760 and the OnePlus 12 come with Adreno 750. The Nokia 10 PureView come with Android 15 operating system. The OnePlus 12 come with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14 operating system. The benchmark score of Nokia 10 PureView is not available at this time. The OnePlus 12 come with 1.8 million benchmark score. The camera setup of Nokia 10 PureView is it's come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom with dual LED dual tone flash HDR panorama and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The OnePlus 12 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 48 megapixel ultra wide with Hasselblad color calibration dual LED flash HDR panorama and it's record 8K 24 fps video. The selfie camera of the devices Nokia 10 PureView come with 15 megapixel with 4K 60 fps video record selfie camera and the OnePlus 12 come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The memory of these devices the Nokia 10 PureView come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and OnePlus 12 come with 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM. And the internal storage Nokia 10 PureView come with 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The same OnePlus 12 256, 512 and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobile, no nano memory card. The commons and the features Nokia 10 PureView come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC Type-C 3.1, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speaker, USB 4.1, wireless charging, IP68, water and dust resistant, infrared port and SOS via satellite system. Plus 12 come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C 3.2, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, USB, UFS 4.0, wireless charging, IP65 dust and resistant, and infrared port. The battery backup of these devices, the Nokia 10 PureView and the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery. The Nokia 10 PureView support 120 watt fast charging. The OnePlus 12 support 100 watt fast charging. And the both mobile support 50 watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging too. The Nokia price is not available at this time. The OnePlus 12 come with $799. The result of these devices the Nokia 10 PureView got 24 points and the OnePlus 12 got 19 points.